You want to be on the YouTubes?
The YouTubes.
Just at Kyle's house, got a few bikes. He changed up his bike a little bit. Front fender to black, so it's really stealth right now. What's also another exciting thing is he got some new gear that he's about to reveal. He's just gonna change right now, so we'll see what that looks like. All right, 1, 2, 3. Damn.
You can't.
Let's start from the top down.
We got a new top-of-the-line Aeroflow helmet. Good ventilation, good visor system. You can see it over top.
How's the wind noise?
None.
None?
Yeah, none.
You gonna install your Senna?
Built in. Cardo on the right side, Senna on this side. It is safety. It's also Kevlar. This is Kevlar cotton.
Got some CC, got something hanging out in here?
Oh, yeah, sorry. I was just...
Got some boots as well?
Yeah, these help you shifting by 24%.
24%?
Yeah.
I like it, man. I like it. All right, signing out.
I'm just at a loss right now. Not what I was expecting to walk downstairs to.
Can't free myself from your love. Can't free myself from your touch. Oh, I'm afraid of heights. This roller coaster ride has got me feeling so.
Where's the new gear at?
Don't want to make people jealous.
Ah, so thoughtful. No matter where we are, if there's a dog, Jessica and I are going.
So cute. You too, girl or boy?
10-year-old boy.
Feeling so hot, so hot, so
See that?
My God.
Probably gonna be riding.
Honestly, all the best.
You should be like, I'm just at a loss right now.
That's going to go right on YouTube, that part.
Listen, I know where you live. It's in Richmond.
free myself from your love. Can't free myself from your touch.